Wondering the best way to dive into dropshipping in 2024? Today, we'll unveil the secrets to kickstart a successful dropshipping business, potentially earning you up to $500 per day. It's not magic, it's just a smart approach. The first step to dropshipping success is selecting the right product. It's essential to choose a product that not only sparks interest, but also solves a problem. You're not just selling a product, you're offering a solution. Think about what your potential customers need and how your product can meet that need. Next, you need to identify your target market. Who are the people most likely to buy your product? What are their demographics, interests, and behaviors? Understanding your target market will help you craft the right marketing strategies and tailor your product offerings to their needs. Once you've identified your product and target market, it's time to find a reliable supplier. Remember, your supplier is your business partner. Choose a supplier who can deliver quality products on time, every time. Your supplier's reliability directly impacts your business's reputation. Now, you're ready to build your online store. In 2024, there are plenty of platforms that can help you set up an online store quickly and easily. Choose a platform that offers a user-friendly interface, secure payment options, and excellent customer support. With your online store up and running, the next step is to create a marketing strategy. This includes search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. Your marketing strategy should aim to drive traffic to your online store and convert visitors into customers. One of the most important aspects of dropshipping is customer service. Make sure you provide excellent customer service to retain your customers and encourage them to spread the word about your business. This includes responding to queries promptly, resolving issues efficiently, and providing a seamless shopping experience. Finally, monitor and optimize your dropshipping business. Use analytics to track your performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Optimization is a continuous process, and it's what keeps your business growing and thriving. So, to summarize, the best way to do dropshipping in 2024 involves selecting the right product, identifying your target market, finding a reliable supplier, building your online store, creating a marketing strategy, providing excellent customer service, and continuously monitoring and optimizing your business. Remember, dropshipping is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, perseverance, and a lot of hard work. But with the right approach, you can turn your dropshipping business into a successful venture that generates up to $500 per day. Stay tuned for more insights on how to grow your dropshipping business in 2024. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself.